Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete a backup for cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, I don't have cPanel, so I'm using this documentation. However, this documentation does not have anything on actually deleting this file, so I'll be going over it through what I know. You should delete your backup files if you're planning on creating new stable backups, just so that you can save the space and not overload your server. What you're gonna be having is once you've backed up your server through a full backup, it's gonna be stored as tarballs, and those are files that have the .tar.gz extension. This is pretty much a compressed, or I'm not sure if it's compressed, however, I do know it's an archive, and that archive contains all the content that you've backed up of your server. Now, pretty much what you need to do is just locate that archive on either the server you stored it on, which can either be a local or a remote server, depending on the backup destination that you've selected during backup, and you just need to locate it there or on your computer. And once you locate that tar.gz file, you just need to delete it, and that is pretty much how you delete a backup. Now, as I've mentioned, I do recommend that you delete them in case you are creating a new stable backup, which you of course plan on using in the future and you don't want to revert back. So I do recommend you clear out your space so as to not exceed the quota. However, you can save different backups through the different names, and that should also work for you. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.